can see we have already made it to France
No,
with the family here.
I think so.
Let's see the beautiful view over here and see how
Has
with you
vist França
guys.
o no?
The view is amazing here. Let me try to see how with you guys with the family here.
Hem passat un túnel una mica llarg, ara el tornarem a passar.
So we are here in France, just around the border here. We just stop here for visiting the place here and to share these amazing views with you guys. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new, and let's vlog the area together. This is how it looks. So this is the beautiful view here around the area here. We just decided to park here the cars and check a little bit the amazing area, and I thought this could be a beautiful video to share with you guys. So you can see the mountains, all beautiful here. If you make a favor for me to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so that anytime I upload a video you will not be the last person to receive. Full amazing area here in France, the border area, these beautiful mountains. Subscribe guys for more videos.
You know who told me to come here?
No,
He says.
but how she came here if she don't have car?
For much.
They sell for much
Mira
there.
la moto que ve, mira.
Yeah. Guys, this is France. If you haven't seen for the first time, you can see a beautiful places here to visit.
És que aquí hi ha molt de neve.
I don't know what to do here. The paradise.
Dissiparem una mica i... Hòstia, això és molt alt.
Just stop for making photos.
A veure si trobo un lloc per unes... Aquí.
Amazing areas here. Beautiful road here. This is Spain, guys. Where the road crosses the two mountains. You can see. Very small road.
Aquest? Tu? Fittipaldi? Corno talona del...
Salon. Oh, a tunnel.
Posa mano que les veig.
Full of mountains. Very beautiful road here, guys. Look at my amazing view. This is beautiful, no? Ashira, what do you think about these views? It's nice?
Què fa?
You love the view? Huh? Yes, Daddy.
Anem a la tarda?
how the sky is blue, eh?
Blue,
What do you saw there? Brown.
little white. No good, white. You don't see.
I don't see white, I only saw blue. What do you think, guys? What color you saw there? Let me know at the comment section. Nobody will comment, I know. Guys, this is Spain in case you're watching the video for the first time. Oh, we meet here some caravana. But our direction is empty, you know, no one is following us. We are the only ones here. All the roads for us. Video shaking for the construction area. That's why the lines are in painted yellow color. So this is how the place look like. Yeah, and in the winter, all must be white, no, with snow.